Alright, welcome back, and right now we're just going to start our name tag example for our player. Now there are different versions of how to do it, but in this version I'm going to be doing this strictly with this platform over here. If you want this platform to be wider and bigger, I'll probably show you how to do that, but we're going to start off from scratch right now. Just enter your flowlab.io browser, create a new game, create a new object, and start naming the object. We're going to start off with player. We're going to start off with naming it by player. Oh my, I can't even spell. Okay, player. Now over here, you'll find the browse, select category, and do pixel chars. Now we have this person over here, so just pick it, click OK. Go to physics, select movable, then go back to properties, and go to behaviors. Now we'll really need 3 bundles for this. So we'll need the run and jump. Sorry, not the one. So the run and jump bundle. Then you'll need a camera, and then you'll need another bundle, which will be the name tag itself. This example is taken from JR1's game, so I'll try to leave a link down below. So let's start off with the camera. Now let's test if this guy working. Yeah, so he's working. So let's start off with the camera bundle. We'll just open it, crack it open, and we'll just start by placing blocks in there. So before I start, I quickly need to find it. Alright, so what we need for here is 2 always blocks, 1 block, then we need, in properties, we need an extractor block. We also need an expression block. We need a camera block, 3 number blocks, 2 global blocks. Where are they? 2 global blocks. Yeah, and I think that's it. So let's just start by spreading this out quickly. So camera goes over here, expression over here, extractor over here, always over here, and then so like this. This is how you'll place it around. So pretty much, if you are using what I am using, you don't need these blocks over here. Just leave them alone. But if you have more blocks on the sides, then you are going to use these blocks. So I'll show you the difference right now. Just start programming along with me. We'll connect this to here, to here. This goes into set. This goes into move y. Once get. This will be A32. Okay, now out. Make sure that it's aligned with the correct one. Out get. Always. Nope, this one's wrong. Out set. This goes get. And then out. Make sure that it's aligned at the same line. Set. This is how you'll do it. And then this will be at set and set. Now give this a global name. So I have created a bunch of global names for here. We're going to use the first camera X. And for here, we're going to use the second camera Y. Make sure that your global names are exactly the same. So this, we'll just do, let's see here. We need A minus 160. Click on OK. Now for here, we have to unselect both of these, and we might turn on background repeats or we might not. So we can let's just turn it on. The number leaves alone and stays the same. So this is how you're going to leave it at. Now, the only problem is when you press escape, it's going to be this way. So if you have more blocks on the sides, this is perfect for you because now it moves like this. But if you do not have blocks on the sides, then all you need to do is you pretty much need to delete this, and voila. It's just like this. Okay, so I'm going to unselect this. You can just delete this if you're using the example I'm using. So with that being said, what we need to do is we need to go and create our name tag. So in our name tag, what we need is, let me quickly find this. All right, so with the name tag, we need an always block, 2 extractor blocks, 2 global blocks, 2 expression blocks, and 1 label block. Label. Where's our label? Oh, it's over here. Yep, there you go. Just start spreading this out. We need this over here. We need this on the bottom and the top over here. Then the always over here. So this X, this Y, connect it like so. Then this will be, we just need to give it a name. So I'm quickly going to give this a name. Sorry, I'm writing with one hand. That's why it's so slow. And then we need another one. So it's going to be A minus B. And then we need to put in brackets minus 32. Just leave it at that. Okay, and then we need the camera X. Remember, we picked the first option, so click back on it. And then camera Y. I need to click on the second option, just like so. So these names are crucial, actually. Now let's give this label. So you can give this label guy whatever. I'm just going to name it player. And then I'm going to make sure that his name is black. You can do white, I'll do black. So you do whatever you want, I'll do whatever I want for the label. Just stick to the plan. Okay, so this goes to X, this goes to Y. Camera X, B, evaluate. Camera Y, so B, evaluate. Okay, now this goes into A, and this goes into A as well. Always, so I think we got all the programming down. Yep, we've got all it down. All right, so let's go and test it out. Okay, so it is huge. It is huge. What we need is to make this way smaller. You can make it like this small, but it's still on the side. So we need to go center alignment. There you go. So let's test this out. Boom. Tada boom, tada boom. Okay, so we've done this right now, and it works, which is great. So now, let's just try this quickly out. What if we just do this? You know, will it work? Will it still work if we just do this? If we spread it out? Because I need to be sure, because I'm showing you this. So camera, and we can do auto scroll, and let's see, let's check this. What are the numbers? So we need to go right. Till here. No, till here. Yeah, we'll do it till there. Okay, let's see if it still works. Yep, it still works. So there you have it, guys, my beloved friends. This is how you create a name tag example. Make sure to imply this into your own game because it is a very cool option. And maybe if this video gets 50 likes, I'll do a video of where you can actually input a name by yourself, which is going to be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys in the next one.